Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install File Manager Plus on your Android TV. This is super easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So you're looking to install the File Manager Plus application to your Android TV without using Google Play Store or App Store. This video is for you. So for instance, I don't have Google Play Store and also I'm not going to be using downloader. If you have downloader, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to install that using downloader. So my inbuilt file manager is called Media Center, which looks boring. So if you want to install something like File Manager Plus, here's what to do. Go to your inbuilt browser, but I'm not going to use my inbuilt browser because I love TV Pro. It is perfect for Android TV. It's optimized for Android TV and it's better than your inbuilt browser. If you don't have TV Pro, in the description of this video, I've attached a link that's going to help you to get TV Pro. Once you launch it and optimize it, here's how it's going to look like. Set Google as your search engine. Once you're here, just go ahead and search the application you want. And the application we want is a File Manager Plus. I'm just going to type it down. So once you type in this, here's the application we're looking for. So come to this option that says File Manager Plus APK and click on it. That's what we're looking for. So once you are here, here's the result page. Now they're going to show us various options. As you can see, there is this option that is going to lead us to our Google web store on their web. It's going to lead you here. Now this option can work, but I'm not guaranteed it to work for every Android TV. As a matter of fact, it doesn't work on my Android TV. I'm going to go on to this option that says File Manager Plus for Android. So you click on this. This is the option that works perfectly. So once you click there, here's what it's going to look like. The result page is going to look like this from up to down. Don't worry, this is trusted. Once you're here, click on the download option here. After clicking here, just let it load and then you can read all the details about the application you want to install. And then once it's okay with you, go over here and click download again. Once you click download here, the application is going to start downloading right away. Now if you're using TV Pro like me, it's possible for you to check if an application is downloading, and what you have to do is simply come to the top here and come to this download option here, and as you can see, the application is being downloaded right now. And that's how to install or download the File Manager Plus to your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, it's going to ask you, just click on it once, it's going to ask you to install to Android TV, and you are good to go. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos.